Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have iPhone 60 Plus and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. Open your calendar application in it, tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 24, and there is plus icon. First step, you can add title of your event. There we can add video conference on plan our video call when event starts. In this part you can set when event starts, in which time and finish, or we can set it will be all day event. Now we can set our repeat, maybe every 2 weeks, what you need and prefer. You can have customize option also, or never. There we can add this event to our group about what is it, maybe house, calendar, work, what you have. We can invite some people to this event. We can get alert when event starts or as a reminder. There we can add attachment to that and some notes. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything. Press add to save it and we have it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.